Hi, and welcome back. Here are our pieces for the modern tea chair. This is obviously the back. The legs are the longer two pieces. These are a little shorter and they are the supports. These are all of the markings on the bottom of the chair seat, so it's underneath. And this is also another support. So these three are supports and these two are legs. You probably will need to go ahead and sand and get any little imperfections off of the surface if you want to. So I've already done that a little bit. So let's go ahead and just start to put the supports on the bottom of the chair. So if to double check to make sure you have the support and not the legs, you'll notice that I have marks and the supports will fit directly in there. They'll fit perfectly in there. There won't be any extra space or anything. So we want to put a little glue on the end here, a bit much, and just go ahead and begin placing these pieces. You have two sides that form kind of a triangle, and you want to adjust those, make sure they're in that spot. I like to push them down to make sure there aren't any bubbles of glue, and check to make sure that they're on there straight on the pattern. Basically what we're looking for is it's going to be a triangle up against the back. Okay, then we can put some glue here on this part and we can put this front part on. And this is just our support that goes right here. And now you have, as you can see, more or less a right triangle, pretty much. So for the next step, you can go ahead and do the legs. So you grab your legs, put a little bit of glue on the sides to the inside and some on the bottom, and just go ahead and line that up. Do that also for the other side. And okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust those, make sure that those are perfectly straight, and I'm going to wait, okay, until it's basically almost completely dry. Okay, these pieces are nearly dry, so you just have one more thing left, and that is that you'll notice if you hold this sideways that this section right in here will fit right in this spot. So what you want to do is to go ahead and put some glue right in here, and you can just do that general area. Be generous with that. And then we're just going to go ahead and adhere this. When that's a little bit tacky, what you can do is you can, pull this, you can stand this up and adjust, which I can show you what I mean by that, and just make sure that the chair is on there straight, but wait until it's a little bit tacky. I checked, it's a little bit tacky. So now what I can do once it has some tack to it, I can adjust this and make sure that it's straight on here, because see, like, this is just a little bit crooked, and I can get the back gently adjusted. So when that's all dry, then you're good to go. You have your little chair. So thank you so much for your purchase.